This is Desa Wanabalu, a nice little village. Nice people live here. And smart. Well, mostly. What's this? Oh, this is Badu. Badu is very happy today.
You're so right. I just sold my hillside of worthless trees to a company that logs illegally. They pay really well. That's the easiest money I've ever made. I'm rich. I'm rich.
That's right, little girl. Those trees are history. It's raining hard. It's been raining hard for 4 days and 4 nights. Early monsoon? No matter. Badu still has some money left. He is going out to eat. Here is Tita's food stand. How about a nice rice dish and an extra large soft drink?
Yum! When you're rich, you don't have to cook. And you don't have to clean up.
Yep, that's what littering does. That garbage will really block the drain. Oops.
Ah! My lunch stand!
Uh-oh, you better get out of here. Hey, nice paint job. Wow, the river is pretty high. This is getting dangerous. But where's our friend Badu? Ah, yes, there's his house. You can tell by the bare hillside behind it. Nice view from up there. But look at the bottom of the hill below the house. See those gullies? The hillside is unstable. It could collapse. Where is that guy, anyhow?
What's all that racket? Just when I was taking my midday nap. Who's banging that Katongan? A flood! Oh no! My stuff! My stuff! What about all my beautiful new stuff? Oh, I gotta take it all. The shoes. Oh, the conditioner. The TV. I gotta get the TV. Oh, what about... I'll take this.
Where is that sound coming from? Ah, I see. A safe place up on high ground. Are you meeting your family here? Good planning.
Thanks for sounding the Katongan, little girl.
Oh, yeah, we need an alarm.
The water swept all through my house. I didn't have time to grab anything. I should have had an emergency bag ready. It's better you saved yourself.
True. Glad you're safe. But where is our hero?
Hero, Badu! Leave that stuff behind! Take just what you need! Hurry! The water's rising fast!
But it's my new stuff! I can't leave my stuff!
Yep. Take only what you really need.
We better go for the district nurse. There's more people hurt.
Oh, yeah, let's hurry.
Yep.
Oh, my head. Oh, what happened? Where's all my stuff? What's that?
Looks like cutting down all your trees is not such a good idea after all. That's because the trees help absorb the water and hold the soil in place. Hey, where are you going? Ah, I see. Now that's a good idea.
That is a good idea. We can replant that hillside.
And we can clean the garbage out of our drains. That'll make them work better.
And I'll start an after-school cleanup team.
Oh, great idea, but we'll have to rebuild first. I'll go down to the district office and let them know we'll need help.
Yes, let them know we need food, shelter, and clean water right away.
Thirsty. Need water.
Uh-oh. Somebody better tell him about tainted water.
What is it now? The water? It comes from a village well. It's perfectly fine. Now, go away. You bother me.
Ooh, that's right. After a flood, you need to boil the water before you drink it. That's because the water is full of germs that will cause, well, we don't really want to see what it causes. And so, as the rain ends and the sun peeks out from behind the clouds, we bid farewell to Desa Wanabalu. Here's hoping that the people will help each other through this crisis and learn how to reduce the chance of flooding and landslide in the future. Hey, I've been meaning to ask you, how did you get so smart? Ah, you read the Community-Based Disaster Management Manual and the IDEP comic books. Smart.